Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency trading, specifically focusing on how to sign up for MEXC, one of the leading exchanges in the market. Signing up for MEXC is a straightforward process, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your cryptocurrency journey, MEXC offers a user-friendly platform that caters to everyone. First, head to the MEXC website or download the mobile app. You'll see a prominent Sign Up button right on the homepage. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your email address or phone number. Make sure to choose an email or number that you have access to, as you'll need to verify it shortly. Once you've entered the details, keep an eye out for a verification code sent to your email or phone. Simply enter the code in the provided field, and you'll be one step closer to accessing your new trading account. Now, here's where it gets exciting. When you sign up for MEXC, don't forget to use my special referral code, 12K4M5. This code is your key to unlocking exclusive benefits, such as reduced trading fees and potentially earning rewards as you trade. It's a win-win situation. By using my referral code, you not only enhance your trading experience, but also support the channel. After entering the referral code, you'll need to create a secure password for your account. Make sure it's a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters to keep your account safe. Once you've set everything up, you can deposit funds and start trading your favorite cryptocurrencies. MEXC supports a wide variety of coins, and the intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate the trading pairs. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is fast-paced and always evolving, so be sure to do your research and stay updated on market trends. Thank you for watching this guide on signing up for MEXC. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to take advantage of the referral code 12K4M5 for your trading journey, and support Crypto Horizon while you're at it. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.